Here today I have a quick unboxing on this snow brush from SEAAES. It's an extendable snow brush. It does come with a ice scraper, a couple of extensions, telescoping rod. The one I have here is the broom with the snow squeegee. So this is the box it comes in. All right, so first off here we have the ice scraper. I believe this might be a hole to hold it in case you want to put it in your garage. Not 100% sure, but that's my guess here. But this is how it is. Fits well in your hand. That's the scraper. Like I mentioned, it does come with the extension tube and a telescoping one, so this is going to be extension. I have soft grips here. The extension again with the soft grips to extend, pull it out, clips in and out of place. These two are made out of plastic. This is aluminum. And the last one we have here is going to be the actual broom brush, whatever you want to call it. So this is going to swivel by pressing the button down at the bottom. Get that out of here. So it's a pretty big brush with their branding on the top here. The squeegee, just a foam insert here. But yeah, pretty well built, or it feels well built. Snow brush, so everything should just clip into place here. So it is pretty long. Said it does extend, but let me see. I got my smaller vehicle here in the garage. Unfortunately, don't have any snow here yet in the Midwest, but it is a fairly long and big snow brush for those larger vehicles, or just want to get the job done a little quicker. It does extend, like I said, quite a bit. Didn't get this one in place very well, but just for comparison purposes, here it is on the hood of my vehicle. So if you do got a larger truck, SUV, this is going to be great. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you a quick unboxing and show you the length of the product compared to the vehicle.